Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another episode where we're gonna talk about today why you should start printing your images. So the first reason why you should start printing your images is to better understand your photography. So if you compare your screen from your computer to the actual paper, it's very different. Once you have a piece of paper in front of you, you have different tonalities, different depths of colors, blacks and highlights, very different from your computer. Your computer projects light, which makes everything look bright and beautiful. So it can be very deceiving adjusting the colors and adjusting the tonalities of your images. So if you start printing your artwork, you're going to start understanding where you sit on your development career, where you sit on your skills, on your photography, and that will also help to understand images, how they compose and how they present themselves in the paper format. The second reason why you should start printing is to have fun. It's very interesting when you start printing your images. You can start again printing different sizes, choosing different sizes of paper, different textures, different qualities, and you get them printed. You can actually see what they look like and go back to your computer, make some adjustments and print again. And having a tangible piece of paper on your hand, it's very satisfying. And lastly, the third reason why you should start printing your images is to actually look at them. You know, in digital world nowadays, you get all those shots, you put on your computer, you put on a hard drive, and you never look at them again. Maybe the lucky ones that ended up making to Instagram or your website, get seen more often. But the majority of those shots, they get forgotten in an external hard drive somewhere. If you print them and you hang on the wall, that's where the fun begins. You can actually look at your artwork and you're going to be very proud of yourself when you have something hanging on the wall that you produce, that resulted from your skill, from your experience. So guys, just on a very important point, don't go crazy and start printing everything and whatever. Choose the good ones, and please be mindful of the environment. Alright guys, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this quick video just to let you know the 3 reasons why you should start printing your artwork, to better understand your images, to enjoy the process and have fun, and to actually look at your images on the wall. It's very satisfying. I hope to see you soon. That's it for me now.